The Byte Harder comes with some very quick and intuitive controls, which makes it very easy to use. Like with the push-pull graph, simply click on a node to select it. Now you can see that the values for this node are now shown at the top of the plugin. You can now drag this band up and down to affect the bit crushing at this frequency range. You can also affect the bit crushing by dragging up and down at the frequency at the top, as well as the gain, and the Q value. You can select the band type here. You can also double click on a value to enter this in manually. Simply double click to reset the node as well. Now let's go over the multi-select feature. Click and drag the lasso around multiple nodes to select them. Now click and drag like normal to boost or cut a frequency range. The multi-select functionality also works for the Q value, the gain, and the frequency. You can input the value for the selected nodes as well. Hold Shift and click to add or remove nodes from the multi-select. Simply double click to reset the nodes as well. To solo a node, simply click on a node, then click on the solo button in the top right hand corner. You can easily switch between the nodes while in solo mode to hear an isolated frequency range. Click on the solo button again to exit this mode, or simply click anywhere on the graph to exit this mode also. The sliders are the controls which sit in the middle of the plugin and can be adjusted normally. To switch between free mode or time mode, only present on the repeat and stutter controls, simply click on the red button to the left of the control. You can also adjust the free mode control by double clicking and inputting a value. Double clicking in time mode adjusts the control to the center. To engage the repeat or stutter controls, they can be clicked and held, or controlled by programming an automation path in your DAW. The random button can be selected simply by clicking on it. The same for the dials. Click and hold and drag to adjust the dials like usual. Dials are greyed out when they are not affecting the signal chain. Double click on the value below to input a value manually. And double click on the dial to reset to default. You can also fine-tune the dials for a more accurate value by clicking Control and clicking to adjust. Like with all Denny's audio plugins, the plugin is fully resizable, and that can be adjusted by dragging from the bottom right hand corner of the plugin.